Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today I am sharing a healthy protein-rich mini Moong Dal pizza that's soft at the base, cheesy on top, and perfect for kids and evening snacks. First take 1 cup Moong Dal, soak it for 1 hour. Always soak Moong Dal for a smoother batter. Wash well and pour into a blender. Moong Dal is one of the easiest dal to digest. Add 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 3 tablespoon water, and 1 tablespoon suji. Blend into a smooth batter. Mini pizzas become popular as street food for kids. Now transfer to a bowl. Add half teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Then mix well. Grease a frying pan with oil. Pour small shape portion to make mini pizza bases. Cover and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Now flip it. Cook pizza bases on low heat for even softness. Spread tomato sauce. Mozzarella cheese. Cheese increases the natural umami flavor of dal. Corn, capsicum, tomato. Add toppings only after flipping the base. Fusion pizzas are now trending worldwide. And more mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle chili flakes and oregano. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes until the cheese melts beautifully. Always cover while melting cheese for best result. Moong dal is rich in plant protein. This pizza is lighter than maida-based pizza. Vegetable toppings add fiber and vitamins, good for kids, elders, and Weight Watchers. Your healthy and cheesy mini Moong Dal pizza is ready, crispy at the bottom, soft inside and loaded with flavor. Would you like a paneer version or a veggie overload pizza next? Like the video, follow the page and subscribe for more easy homemade snacks recipes.